So good day guys, welcome back to the channel. Now to those of you that are yet to subscribe guys, be it you are new to this channel and you've not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow us on Telegram. If you are yet to follow us on Telegram guys, you will find a link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. I want you to actually follow us on Telegram because we'll be putting out 1 or 2 updates for you guys there. You definitely do not want to miss out on those updates we'll be putting out on Telegram, which can help you one way, and some market outlooks we'll be putting on Telegram. Everything will be put on Telegram and we can easily communicate properly on Telegram. So the link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section. So let's take a look at gold for this last week of the month, which is November. That is the last week for November. We will be looking at gold. Now let's start with the higher time frame on gold. So let's zoom it out. What can you see here? You clearly can see that gold is literally ranging within this level, right? Market is ranging. Now let's put out some levels here. We can see that when markets came to this same level, which it got to the peak, right? It dropped. We also saw it came to this same level, it dropped, came to this same level, it dropped. Now take a look at where it's actually reacting to. We had a reaction here. We also had when markets came here, we had a reversal movement there, reaction. We also had a reaction here. Also, we had a reaction. So basically, this top is our resistance, while this level below is our support level. Now, I literally said it, guys. If you go back with what I said it that during the month of November, December, right, it's usually not a good month for DXY. You will see that within that period, DXY usually fall. It is usually a bad month for DXY. So any other PS you are trading against your USD should give you a bullish move, should go bullish. So what are you trading against USD? Gold. So gold against USD, meaning since we are expecting a drop on USD, then we should be expecting a bullish move on gold. Since there will be a drop on USD, then a bullish move should play out on gold. So now on this level, we are going to be coming back. We are heading straight to this level of this resistance level. So for this week, we should be aiming for a level of 2053, 2053. Currently, gold is trading at 2002, right? We are trading at 2002. So our next target for gold is a level of 2053. That is 2053. We can call it 2053, right? 2053. That is our target. Are we likely to break above it? We are very, very much likely to break above it. We have, see, in short, I believe we have 70% chances of breaking above this resistance level, meaning gold has the potential of breaking above this resistance level, but that is not our target now. Probably the target should be about that. Market breaking out of this resistance level should be a target of next 2 week or next 3 week. But this week that you are predicting for, which is the last week of November, we will be heading straight to a level of 2053 or probably close to it. Gold will be giving us a bullish move. Now let's roll down to the daily time frame. So what can you see here? At first, market was, drop. You can see that this, sorry, it was going bullish. This is the impulse move, first impulse move to the upside. You can see the impulse move. Within this impulse move, you can see this higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows within this impulse move, right? If you go to the 1 hour time frame, you will see it higher highs, higher lows, which was rolling. Now this is the corrective wave. Within this corrective wave, you will see lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Now we are now expecting the next impulse move to the upside. So basically, within this impulse move, we are seeing higher highs, higher lows within the probably 1 hour time frame. So guys, we will be breaking above this resistance level. Many of you guys might want to be looking to sell around this level. That is exactly what people do, especially all those reversal traders, right? Because they say, okay, market has actually reacted here. When market is coming here, they'll be looking to sell. This is where they will now make the mistake. Yes, you might see markets building some sell liquidity here. You might be seeing, okay, market is dropping from this level little by little, little by little. What the market is doing is just trying to grab liquidity. If you fall for it and go ahead and take your sell, bet it with you that market will push up and get you stopped out. Now, those of you that usually take your trade without using stop loss, you will definitely blow your account. It is a must. You can't escape it. You will definitely blow your account because gold is still going to push bullish move well, except you quickly opt out of this trade. immediately. But if you decide to leave the trade, hoping that it will continue to drop, guys, you will blow your account. Now, those of you that will be looking to take your sell here, well, you can go ahead if you want, but personally, I would not advise you. And that sell should be a very, very short one. Very, very short one, because with what I'm saying, once market comes to this resistance, gold might want to start dropping, which is not the real drop. It is just a fake drop, building liquidity. A lot of traders will be stacking in on the sell, stacking on the sell. Boom, market will just push up and get everyone stopped out, and it will continue the movement to the upside. So above all, gold is still going up to the upside. So guys, make sure you actually follow us on Telegram. If you've not, you will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section.